Yes, this is part 2 actually of my video, how to spot a demon without talking to somebody. In my first video I talked how you can spot them according to their behavior, like smell, they're moving, like they're moving, they're staring, like not adequate people, like not normal people, or sometimes this, for example, or drugs, or they're doing drugs. But you can also spot them if you work on yourself, you become more enlightened through this enlightenment thing. How you can become this enlightened to spot these demons? It's easy. You have to just keep the commandments. You have to keep you away from sinning, and then you will get this enlightenment. You get this light in yourself that you can just like shine through the darkness and find out who is a demon and who's not. So how is this working? For example, a simple example, semen retention. You don't you don't goon, you don't watch with women, you're waiting before marriage. So you're keeping the commandment. Only one woman, one man, they become flesh. Christian commandment, you keep it. You become more enlightenment, there's more light in you. Now you are meeting new people, you meet a person, man, woman, I don't know. You just stand behind them, shaking their hands, and you're realizing something is wrong with them. They're sweating, or they are moving just differently. And this is this feeling that you get about people if you keep the commandments. Something is wrong with them. You can even just watch at them, and in your mind you just imagine who this person is. I don't know how it's working, but I think it's working like that. So if you become a person with less sins, let's say, then your light is that strong that you're feeling getting better, and these people just start acting weird. And this weird acting, like they're sweating if you give them the hand or something like that, or they're extra strange, they're starting to shaking or something like that near you. Something like that, you have just a strange feeling. And then you just also keep spotting these demons, and life becomes more easy for you, I guess I would say. You have then just trust your feeling. But you cannot trust your feeling if you keep sinning every time, if you keep gooning, if you watch at people, if you admire people, if you're watching it with lust at women, or you're lying, or maybe worse, you're stealing or something like that. You cannot trust your feeling that. First you have to keep the commandments to become a less sinful person, and then you can trust your feeling. Just then you become like a better person, let's say, and your feeling about who this person is becoming stronger. And only then you can trust your feeling, if you keep the commandments. So yes, I hope this video helped you somehow. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Bye.